to install your GPU hanger to your graphics card. To start off, you take your GPU hanger, unscrew the screw on the bottom, like so. And we set that to the side. You take your graphics card. You see that little hole in the bottom? You take the bottom half of the graphics card and you slip it right in, like so, to line up to the top. And the tab there should hook right in, lining you up with your hole. Take your screw and you screw it in. Make sure it gets nice and tight, like so, and you'll be ready to go on your hanger. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.